Have you ever tried potato pottage? This is one of the easiest and most delicious recipe you need to try, and you need just few ingredients in order for you to achieve this. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make potato pottage without stress. Do not forget to subscribe or turn notifications so you don't miss out on any of our food recipes. These are all the ingredients you need. That's our onion, grated pepper, our red oil, salt, 2 seasoning cubes, our vegetable. This is our green leaves. This is our peel washed potato, and these are all the ingredients you need. So in the pot, you're just going to add your red oil, and then you're just going to add your sliced onion, and then you mix together and allow it to saute for just some seconds before you add your grated pepper. Then you mix together. After mixing together, we're just going to add our salt to taste and also our seasoning cube, and then we're also going to mix together again. Mind you, allow this to sit for just some seconds, then I'm going to add water to it. After that, I'm just going to add my potato inside. After that, I'm just going to mix together. At this stage, I'm just trying to make sure the potato is well and properly seated inside the pot. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what we have. So at this stage, I'm just going to mix together. As you can see, my potato is not fully cooked. I'm just going to mix it together and also cover it and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. So as you can see, there is much difference in it compared to what we have now. So at this stage, I'm just going to turn it, and I don't really break, or rather I would say match my potato, because potato is soft and it breaks by itself compared to yam that you have to match. I didn't really do much, so I just mixed together and then sliced my vegetables and then added to it. So I'm going to mix this again. And after mixing this, I just allowed it to sit for just 2 minutes on a low heat. And I'm just going to cover it and then allow it to sit for just 2 minutes on a low heat. And after that, I'm just going to stir it. At this stage, I just put off the fire. Our potato is ready, so I'm just going to allow it to sit for a bit, and this is what we have. So potato thickens just like any pottage. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch our other recipes to learn how to make your easy and affordable meals. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.